this tutorial, I will be showing you how to do the color grade wipe effect with no plugins needed. I will be using the Final Cut Pro X, but you can also do this in any other professional editing softwares. Let's go straight to Final Cut Pro X. I have a graded video already placed in my timeline for this tutorial. This is how it looks graded. And this is how it looks ungraded. The first step is to duplicate the clip. To do this, hold the alternate key and simply drag the clip just above the primary timeline. Now select the clip below and deselect the effect on this clip. The goal here is to remove the color grading so as to have a raw footage below. Next, you select where you want the transition to begin in the clip above. Select the crop tool. Slide the right crop slider tool all the way. But you notice it doesn't crop the entire footage on the top of the timeline. Simply click the numbers beside the right crop slider and drag upwards till the top footage is out of the screen. Add a keyframe. Go to where you want the footage to come back on the screen and slide the right crop slider back to 0. Render the footage and hit the play button. Voila! You've just learned how to do this cool effect. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more. Peace.